Hi, in this video we're going to be looking at this indices question, x squared over 8 equals to 4 over x to the power of half. Okay, so let me rewrite the question first. So x squared over 8 is equals to 4 over x to the power of half. And so one of the easiest ways to go about this is, since I have one fraction over the left hand side and another fraction on the right hand side, I can just do a cross multiply. Okay, so what I get is x squared multiplied by x to the power of half equals to 32. Now, by indices rule, we know that am times an is equals to am plus n. So this is x 5 over 2 equals to 32. And 32, we know it is 2 to the power of 5. Okay, now that we have this, we can see that the base is still not the same. We are supposed to find the base, actually, the x here. And the power is not the same, but there is a common number 5 there. So what I can do here is, the 5 is actually multiplied by a half. So I can bring out the half first, multiply by 5 here, which is equals to 2 to the power of 5. Now when I do this, we can observe that now this term here, okay, let me redraw it with a different color here. Okay, this term here and this term here can now be matched because both the powers are now the same. Okay, since both the powers are the same, we can say that both the bases are the same. So we can say that x to the power of half is equals to 2. Okay, so x power of half, if I square it, I get 2 squared. So x is equals to 4. Okay, and that is your answer. So I hope that this has explained the question and how to go about solving such an indices problem. Thank you.